Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Wallet and tapping Apple Card. This starts activation immediately. You'll verify identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so Apple verifies it's you. This prevents fraud. Once done, link your Apple ID and confirm billing address plus phone number so statements reach you. Make sure to accept terms and choose whether to receive digital or physical card. These choices affect how you use the card in stores and online, and why Apple sets security first. Now set up payments. Pick a bank account, then choose a schedule, weekly, biweekly, or monthly, because payment cadence controls interest accrual and cash flow. Enable daily cash to receive instant cashback on purchases. This boosts value if you use Apple services. Set a realistic minimum payment and turn on autopay to avoid late fees. Once done, configure family sharing, virtual card numbers for merchants, and temporary limits so you can manage spending without surprises. To finish, use Apple Pay for contactless purchases or the titanium physical card for places that don't accept contactless. Wallet shows real-time transactions and categorizes spending so you understand where money goes. If a charge looks wrong, tap it to dispute and provide details. Apple escalates disputes to Goldman Sachs. If you lose the card, freeze it in Wallet or request a replacement. This prevents fraud. If problems persist, contact Apple Card support through messages. They can walk you through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.